Nexus this morning, 8 o'clock in the morning. We got up at 6 to head over to have some recall work done. We're going to reconnect the cab to the bunk. Cindy's helping us out. We dragged the Jeep over today to give us something to do maybe when they take the Wraith in the shop. Next to the new Rebel, 7.2 liter diesel with an Allison transmission. It's a Duramax on a Chevy platform. You can kind of tell by the headlights that it's a Chevy. 4-wheel drive. She's ready to go. They were just hooking up the wiring for the rear hitch this morning, and it's going to be delivered. One of you lucky people out there is getting you a new Rebel. I found my new motorhome. I think I'll trade the Nexus Wraith in. This one's going to Camping World. It's a 35R. It has a Duramax diesel 7.2 liter with a 10-speed Allison transmission, and it's 4-wheel drive. And to make life even better, it has an outdoor kitchen. You can kind of see the layout. There's a stove that comes out of here, a grill, microwave, and there's a refrigerator that goes here. It's gonna be amazing. So I guess I'll have to trade mine in today. They said this one will be done in 2 days. One humongous massive slide all the way down. I like it. Hooked on and ready to go. We got all the parts we needed to fix a few things that we broke, and a few parts to fix the cab, and some parts for our new solar panel that we're adding to the existing panel.